Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. It is only befitting that we begin utilizing the name of Allah. The word Allah is a proper noun composed of two parts. Al-Ilah, the Ilah, God, the absolute one worthy of worship. Revealed a staggering 2,699 times in the Quran, you will find the name Allah in every single page. Arab Jews and Christians use the word Allah to refer to God. Assyrian Christians use the word Ilaha or Allah in Aramaic. A conversation with Allah and Moses, in Surah Taha, Allah says, Innani ana Allahu la ilaha illa ana fa'budni wa aqimis salata li dhikri. It is truly I am Allah. There is no God worthy of worship except me, so worship me alone and establish prayer for my remembrance.